Hello, hi, I'm Raja Jamwal, and today I'm excited to share a big step forward for ProMind, your favorite AI note taker and the revision companion for the AI era. So, what is new? ProMind now supports MCP integration. Right now, in the world of any speech repetition tools out there like Quizlet, SuperMemo, none of them they support MCP integrations with your LLM. But ProMind supports MCP integrations, which means ProMind can live inside any MCP compatible AI client. So you can capture, organize, and revise without ever leaving your AI workspace. You don't have to anymore juggle between the tabs or refine and summarize and then copy and paste into your note taker revision tool and then create flashcards. All of this is automated. You can chat with your AI client like Claude desktop, and it will automatically create and save the flashcard from the context that you're providing or you're learning. A quick recap about what is basically MCP. MCP, the Model Context Protocol, is an open way for tools to plug into AI apps. If your client speaks the MCP, it can talk to ProMind and execute commands on your behalf. Right now, this is under closed beta. You can head to the promind.com. From the left side, you'll find the MCP. You will see the quick overview of what MCP is, a setup guide for the officially supported clients, which are Claude Desktop and Cursor ID at the moment. And if you're using any other MCP client, you will basically need to have this MCP URL added somewhere. But these are the only supported MCP clients at the moment. So how do you basically set up? So let's say I'm setting it up with my Claude desktop. I'll copy the configuration. Then I'll head over to my Claude desktop. On the top right, you can go to the settings, and from the settings on the left, you'll find the developer options. You have to click on the edit config, and this will bring you the MCP definition file or configuration file. You can paste that configuration for the ProMind from the website into this. I'm going to just delete my existing configuration and just show you how it works end to end. All right, so I've saved the configurations. I would need to probably restart the Claude desktop again. All right, let me go back to the settings and see where we are. So if I go to the developer menu again, it has already, like, it's just taking the it is taking the auth from the previous session itself. If the auth is missing, it's going to take you to the authorization page for the ProMind, where you can basically log in with your existing ProMind account. Now, once that is done, once the auth is done, you can basically use the ProMind anywhere in your chat conversation to list all the decks from the ProMind. It is going to execute a list decks command, which will list all your existing decks. And let's say you are like discussing, learning about a certain topic, and you really want to save and summarize that as a flashcard somewhere for a quick recall later on. Once you're done discussing, you can ask your AI client to create a flashcard and save in ProMind. It will ask you for the deck if you have not specified within the context, but if you specify it in the context, it's smart enough to know like which deck you want to save it to. So for the purpose of the demo, I just created a new deck in my account, which is from Claude, and I asked it to do a listing of this thing so it knows the context that I want to save the flashcard in from Claude, and then I just asked it to save it into the in from Claude deck. Now it has done the summarization. It has created the back and the front content of the card based on what I was discussing. And if I go to the card, I can see that, hey, this is the front side of the card, and then I can click on my show answer and I will see the back side of the card. And like any other flashcards, you can obviously edit it within the ProMind. The editor is full-fledged, like a Notion-like editor. That's all for the quick update on the ProMind. I hope to see you on the ProMind for your revisions. Thank you.